In this video, I will guide you how to fix Lorex Camera Offline. Ensure the camera's antennas are positioned upright to improve signal range with the Lorex Smart Home Security Center. Unplug the camera from the power source. Leave it unplugged for 30 seconds to 1 minute. Plug it back in and wait for a moment for the camera to come back online. Ensure no new obstacles are blocking the signal. Common materials that may interfere include concrete, brick, metal, and wood. If your camera is too far from the LSHC, consider using the Lorex Home Extender to increase the range. If your camera is near your home's router, try connecting it through Wi-Fi. If it also doesn't help, open Lorex Home app, tap the device's icon at the top left, select the camera you want to remove, tap on the settings icon, scroll down and tap remove device. Confirm by tapping remove device again. Reset the camera using the reset button. If the issue still persists, launch the Lorex Home app and log in. Follow the on-screen instructions to set up the camera. Open the Lorex Smart Home Security Center. Tap the devices icon. Select I already have devices set up through the Lorex Home app. The LSHC will search for available cameras. Select the camera and enter the password. Tap Save, then Next. Name your camera by selecting a preset or typing a custom name. Tap Save. Select indoor or outdoor depending on where the camera is installed. Tap Next, then Done. That's it. Your Lorex camera should now be back online and connected to the Lorex Smart Home Security Center. If this video helps, like, share, and subscribe.